Lust may seem harmless, but it's quietly draining your focus, your discipline, and your self-respect. Now, if you're serious about killing lust and taking your control back, this is for you. Step 1. Find and fix the real reason you're doing it. Most people don't relapse because they're too horny. They relapse because they're either bored, stressed, lonely, or avoiding something hard. So the next time you feel the urge, ask yourself, what am I actually trying to escape right now? Is there work you're avoiding? A conversation you're delaying? A feeling you don't want to sit with? Lust is often a distraction. If you fix the avoidance, then the urge weakens. Step 2. Make your body tired and your mind busy. Too much unused energy turns into temptation. If you sit all day, eat junk, and don't move, your brain looks for stimulation. Go lift heavy, run hard, and train until you're actually tired. When you're busy and your body is exhausted in a healthy way, urges drop. Plus, discipline in the gym makes discipline easier everywhere else. Step 3. Catch the first 30 seconds when the urge hits. Lust doesn't start with action, it starts with a thought, a look, a scroll, one harmless search. You don't lose when you feel the urge, because that's normal and it happens for everyone. But you lose when you entertain it. So the moment you notice the thought, stand up, change rooms, splash water on your face, or maybe do 20 push-ups, anything to break the pattern immediately. If you interrupt it early, it dies fast. Step 4. Stop being alone with a screen at night. Let's be honest, we all know that most relapses don't happen at 2 p.m. in public. They happen late at night. When the doors are closed, the lights are off, and your phone is in your hand. So change the setup. No phone in bed, no laptop after a fixed time. Sleep with your phone across the room. This one change alone cuts most relapses in half. And finally, step 5. Stop hating yourself after a slip. Shame fuels the cycle. You mess up, you feel guilty, you feel weak. So you escape again. But instead, if you slip, reset immediately. Just continue. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is reducing frequency and regaining control. That's it. If you're serious about killing lust and you're done letting it control you, comment control. Not for me, for you. No excuses. Just a decision. After 30 days, come back and tell everyone what changed. Good luck.